All right, morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of Market Trading. I'm your host, Tone Vays. I just sat down at this cafe, got ready for the stream, and music started playing. So one of two things could be happening right now. One, you can barely hear me and you hear the music, and two, YouTube's gonna give me a copyright strike. But we're gonna take our chances. I'm gonna drink my coffee. Man, it's 2 days of coffee in a row. That's rare. It is early. I got a flight to Panama in a few hours, and I still want to hit the beach. So let's get to the charts real quick. I just wanted to show you guys the view mostly. There's really no need to do a video today because nothing has changed. Someone keeps telling me, hey, if you go into settings on Fibonacci's, there is a thing to make them logarithmic. I still don't understand what the hell that means. Fib levels based on log scale. I don't understand. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Like, I don't get it. Like, someone will have to explain this to me. Well, let me see this. Hold on. Like, what the hell does it mean? I want to see what it does in relation to the price. Look, the price is the price. It's a price retracement. It doesn't matter how you're looking at the candles. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't get it. I'm completely baffled and confused. What the hell it means to have logarithmic Fibonacci retracements? This makes no sense to me at all. We're not doing this. I don't know who uses it, and whoever uses it will need to explain to me how this makes sense. It just doesn't. Here are the Fibonacci levels. I don't look at Fibonacci's much, but I think in this case it's very, very relevant. Allocation chart. Allocation looks good. 100% allocation. We're gonna stay with that until moving averages cross, and then we can start debating it. Is the background music a bit in the way? Let me know. Okay. Let me make one more change. Hold on. I want to see if it's better if I don't have the camera high pointing down. Let's try this. Is this better or worse? No, I like it better when it's pointing down. All right, that was a waste of time. I'm gonna bring the camera back to angle off the tripod. There we go. Boom, boom. Camera gonna move down or what? Oh, the camera's not recognizing me. Let's try this again. Okay, it's following me. All right, cool. All right, guys, like I said, it's gonna be a quick video, and then it's gonna be a quick video, and then I'm gonna hit the beach. Not gonna talk any politics today, just gonna take a quick peek at charts. Are you guys able to see the chart? Okay, there it is. I'm really watching this line right here. And the moment we break 44,000, I'm expecting a nice fat breakout. Four-hour chart, not that interesting. Yeah, I needed a break after unconfiscatable. Happened to have some family on vacation in Aruba, so I came down. Okay, this is the one thing I wanted to talk about today, and that's GBTC. If we look at my video from yesterday, if we look at yesterday's video, there were multiple GBTC comments. Show up. There were two. See, why to get rid of GBTC once premium goes to zero? Honest question, because I had planned to hold mine through the conversion if it happens. And here's one more. Tone, why do you want to get rid of GBTC? There is a different person. Do you not want to hold while the discount goes to premium, at least to recover some? So here's the thing, right? GBTC, let me pause this so I don't waste bandwidth. GBTC is going to struggle breaking zero. The reason it's going to struggle breaking zero is because there's going to be a lot of sell pressure of GBTC shares the moment it breaks zero into positive territory. So it's going to take a really long time to resolve the selling pressure that would happen once GBTC goes above zero. This selling pressure could last for 6 to 9 months, in my opinion, unless Bitcoin flies to like $300,000. And while this is happening, the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. There's going to be more than one Bitcoin ETF approved. And I really don't want to support Barry Silbert's projects. I don't think he's good for Bitcoin. Like, I don't really want to support BlackRock either, but Barry Silbert has not been a good actor in the space. So I would rather support other ETFs with my money. And I don't expect GBTC premium to be in the high territory for very long. I'm just holding this until it gets into positive territory. And after that, the Bitcoin ETF is going to come around, but I don't want to hold grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Not that I want to support BlackRock either. Like, hopefully there'll be another competitor. But in either case, I think there is better Bitcoin traditional opportunities, including MicroStrategy as a stock, including Bitcoin miners, including Bitcoin futures ETFs, right? Like my friend Leah Wald is the CEO of Valkyrie. They have an ETF. Someone is asking, what does the red star mean? The red stars are explained in my video. Red stars are an indication of upcoming bearish trends. Green stars are an indication of upcoming bullish trends. So the MRI is a complicated indicator. Basically, the red arrow indicates I should be taking profit from a bullish position. But this green star says that we are likely to keep going higher. So if right here I exited my bullet, right here I can buy into Bitcoin. Right here I can sell my bullish trade. Right here on a green star, I can enter the bullish trade again. Here on a red arrow, I exit the bullish trade. On this green star, I enter the bullish trade again. On this red arrow, I exit the bullish trade. On this green star, I enter the bullish trade again. On this orange arrow, I consider taking profit, but I never got the red arrow. So you may or may not have taken profit on the orange arrow. On the green star, you enter your bullish trade again. Now, the question becomes, when on this candle do you enter the bullish trade? Do you enter it the moment green star appears, which is just above the prior swing high? But keep in mind that if the green star appears, but then the candle crashes, the green star will disappear. So the green stars are a little bit in hindsight, because there might have been other green stars on this chart that you no longer see. Once a green star solidifies at the end of the candle, the green star will never go away. But throughout the candle, the green star can appear and disappear. This is just a product of the current indicator. The green stars are not a default in the indicator. You have to know how to use the settings to put them in. My current settings look like this. That's a better setting. But you have to watch my educational video that comes with the MRI access that explains it. So once again, the green star enters your bullish trade. When do you exit this bullish trade? Well, there was never a red arrow at any point. So when do you exit the bullish trade? Well, you can exit it on a stop loss. You can exit it on an extension A wouldn't make me exit it, but extension B and C on the same candle potentially would make me exit. Another time I always exit is a red star. So if I entered on this green star and I doubled down on this green star and I chose not to exit on extension B and C, I'm exiting on a red star candle. You can also short on a red star candle. You can short, you can double down on the short, you can triple down on the short. And then bam, it crashed. And then when do you take profit on the short? Well, the green arrow, of course. And then you go short again, and you had a losing trade. When do you exit the losing trade? Either on a stop loss or on a green star. And now the red star indicates a potential downside in the near future on a 4-hour chart. Anyway, let's get back to GBTC. So on GBTC, I don't expect this to be in huge positive territory. Also, I'm expecting the real ETF. Now, if a real, I don't want to be in this for the conversion. I don't like uncertainty. I don't like uncertainty. Now, if GBTC is becoming a Bitcoin ETF, that could create a huge mass of people buying into GBTC. I want to be there for that. But during the actual conversion into a Bitcoin ETF, I want to be out. That explains it a bit. No, it actually means a lot more than caution. A red star literally means get out of your well, a red star on the close means you should not be in that trade. Right now it's caution because the candle hasn't closed and there's 3.5 hours to go. But if there's a red star when the candle closes, I'm not in this trade. Though at the moment there should not be a red star. So I'm not I mean, maybe I just changed the setting. Let me refresh. Let me save. Let me refresh. Wait. Trend change close condition, first candle. Trend change extreme condition, prior candle. It's strange. I think this red star should be disappearing because the current price is higher than the low of prior candle. It's a little strange. I'm not sure why it's there, actually. I have to take a break from YouTube and I need to like this red star is accurate. But I'm not sure about this. I gotta recheck the code here. Maybe it just hasn't disappeared yet. Because first candle means the candle with a 1 on it. Trend change close condition. The close needs to be yeah, I'm not sure this red star shouldn't be on this candle right now. I gotta check this. I gotta maybe it has to do with the 4-hour chart. It's just not behaving properly. Okay. Yeah, I may have to double check some of these. No, I gotta get it with my developers. This code is super complicated. The idea of a red star is your candle, your end of candle is lower than the close of the, oh, okay, I see. Okay. The first condition is first candle. Well, what does first candle mean? It means a candle with a 1 on it, a red 1. So the close of current candle has to be lower than the close of first candle. And clearly the current close is lower than the close of the first candle. Remember, this red star could happen on candle number 3 or candle number 4. Right? Here's candle number 3, right? And the extreme condition is a swing low lower than the prior candle's low. So that happened also, but it's not happening at the moment. So at the moment, it's not happening, but it happened at some point. I have to double check some code. Like right here, this is candle number 3. So the close condition, again, if I open this up, first candle means candle with a 1 on it. Trend change close condition is the close of this candle. Is the close of this candle lower than the close with a red 1? Well, the answer here is no, but the answer here is yes. The close of this candle is lower than the close of a candle with a 1 on it. Is the low trend change extreme condition, is the low of this candle lower than the low of prior candle? And the answer is yes, right there. That creates the red star. But here it's 1 against 2, so the condition is almost 1 the same. Anyway, so back to GBTC, I keep getting distracted. So that's kind of my view on it. One, I don't expect the premium to last for a while. I don't expect the premium to last very high. I don't want to support Barry Silbert's products. And with my money, not that BlackRock's much better. So I'm hoping that a different spot ETF is gonna rule the day here. And I would like to diversify out of GBTC and perhaps support my friends over at Bitfarms. Oh, I don't want to change that one. How's Bitfarms doing? And I am going to hit the beach in 5 minutes. And Bitfarms, there it is. Where's their logo? I just saw it. Oh, Bitfarms doing beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. Look at that. Look at that. That is an annual high, folks. Bitfarms is very well positioned. Very well positioned. You guys should see Ben's presentation. Ben Gagnon of Bitfarms at my conference. Satoshi Sats. Hey man, I'm only gonna be in Panama for like a week, and then I gotta get back and see family in New York for Christmas. Hit me up. I'm landing in Panama, I don't know, in the afternoon. Chances of a Bitcoin correction in 2024. Well, define correction. Chances of Bitcoin going below 30,000 ever again are very low. Chances of Bitcoin going to 100,000 in 2024 and then pulling back to 50,000 for a 50% correction. That's a reasonable possibility. So when you say correction in 2024, from what starting level? Yeah, motorist, if you're in California, what are you doing up? All right, looks like background music stopped for a minute. Tone, AMC. I don't care about meme stocks, guys. Meme stocks is not my thing. Like, I would never trade AMC. It's like, I don't know, trading Dogecoin or some shit. I would never trade AMC. I don't like meme stocks. Oh, God, no. I would never touch this. It's bearish as hell. It couldn't be any more bearish. Looks terrible. Look, it just broke the prior swing low from September. This looks like a disaster in the making. Oh, when people walk behind me, sometimes the camera starts to follow them, which is kind of creepy, but all right, let's look at traditional markets. I gave you guys my thoughts on Venezuela and Guyana yesterday. I really want to talk about Malay and the upcoming disaster in Argentina, but I'll save that for another day. As a TLDR, I'm not as enthusiastic and as bullish on Malay as others. I think he's gonna be I don't think things are gonna be rosy down in Argentina. Chances of a correction below 29 if there's a recession hitting in 2024. Okay, so first off, I do not expect a recession in 2024. Second, if there is a recession in 2024, it does not mean Bitcoin's going to crash. And third, regardless of the two, the chances that Bitcoin goes below $30,000 are incredibly low. I give that maybe a 15% chance. What tequila is around Aruba? Nothing good. I'm unfortunately, I have not found a single bar that had a good tequila. I am very tempted to one day open a tequila bar in Aruba because good tequila just doesn't exist. Every restaurant I've walked into, every bar I looked at, I look at their tequila shelf and I am grossly disappointed. I've been resorted to drinking wine, but I am cutting back on alcohol. So I'm just the more I learn about tequila, the more I refuse to drink non-additive tequila, which is non-additive free tequila. Like the more I refuse to drink tequila with additives. So I don't even drink Don Julio anymore. I'm actually I'm resorted to going back to Patron. Oh. Yeah, because I'm in the shadow, so if someone walks by me, the camera takes focus. Yeah, guys, I am not enthusiastic about Malay. It's gonna be a nice. I mean, I think I'm gonna restructure my YouTube channels in the future. This channel is gonna become a geopolitical channel with the financial focus, but my actual like CA stuff is gonna be on the Financial Summit channel, and my Bitcoin stuff is gonna be on the Unconfiscatable channel. I'm not a Mescal guy. I haven't gotten into it. I can't believe how good the market did last week. I totally missed this. Between Unconfiscatable and relaxing on a beach in Aruba, I totally missed this move. Like what a move since October. I need to find my October videos. Everyone needs to go back and find my October videos, like starting, like just watch my videos leading into October last year and leading into October this year. I called these moves as well as anyone. They were absolutely perfect. And stock market is going to a new all-time high. I'm very confident in that. All right, I want to hit the beach, guys. That's it for me. Yeah, tequila bar in Aruba would be nice. Man, I'm becoming such a tequila snob. It's like I used to even be okay with Don Julio, and now like nope. I gotta open my tequila spreadsheet. 1 second. No, I'm not doing that now. We'll do another time. I'm gonna hit the beach. I'm gonna let you guys see the beach and enjoy the beach. And there it is. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Let me lock the. Actually, you know what? There we go. Let's see. Oh, I was a bit in the shadow there, but there you go. You guys can kind of see the beach. It's really nice here in Aruba. All right. That's where I'm going, and I'll be on a. Oh, let's go this way. There we go. And then I'll be in a plane in about 4 hours. All right. I was gonna maybe after next year's Unconfiscatable, we'll do a carnivory dinner here in Aruba if anybody wants to fly from Vegas to Aruba with me. It's a good place to just chill.